What's up YouTube? Welcome to the Blue Racing YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to redo the exhaust on the S10 entirely. I'm sick and tired of it leaking. I don't like the way it sounds. I got to reseal the headers up because they leak really bad and it's throwing my O2 sensor all the way off. And we're going to get it all sounding good. So let's go. Now that the collector's off, we need to take off the steering shaft. And I think the best way to do that is just take the whole thing out. On this truck it's a 7/16 if I remember correctly. And or an 11mm. There's that too. Sorry about the cat and dog hair. That one's a 10mm for some reason. All right. These are Hedman Hustlers. It looks like one. I'm gonna have to remove this spark plug. This is tube number 2. All right, so I got the exhaust out. Gonna clean this up and get it to where that 4-piece collector can slip right over it. And put some red RTV on it. It should be good. Got the collector off. Needs a little bit of repair, but I think we can work with it. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is try to get these to slip in there. A little better than that. Cylinder 1 goes on the bottom. Yep, so we got to get that to where it slides in there just a little bit better. Oh, a lot better than that because I can't do much with that under the truck. Same thing with that. That's a lot better. I'm almost positive these aren't gonna come out. I could have swore I got them in there in one chunk. I tell you what, this has been a real pain in the you know what. They're out. Just gotta get them to come actually physically out. This one's out. I gotta get that one. Well, it should be out. This has been a nightmare. I hate not having a creeper. All right. Transmission went in the way I could get it. Tired of letting it sit.
Yeah. Like I said, he deserves.
Alright, that's a test fit. And that went on there pretty easy. Alright, so really wanted to do this right. I should have took this damn heat shield out. It's all the way in my way. Okay, let's see. Yep. All right, no turning back. All right, time for the next one. Managed to get this collector off on the passenger side. It was an absolute nightmare, and it's taken a lot of cleaning. I wish I could buy a new set of these, but they are discontinued, so SOL. Got her sealed up as best as I can. This side's the most important part because it's got the O2 sensor here, which isn't screwed all the way in for some reason. But we're gonna fire it up and see what happens. Open header though. I decided I didn't like the exit out in front of the tires, so I built my own system. Don't make fun of my welds. It's going to come straight out the back with some rolled tips. All right, so drive shaft hoop is hairy and back installed. That side is needing a clamp. This side has a clamp on it. I'm gonna eventually replace these clamps with V-bands, but got plenty of room under here and doesn't look bad for a redneck that doesn't know how to weld. And it goes up and over the axles, dumps, and then I've got to build my tailpipes. Probably ain't gonna sound a lot different, but it might.
Is that a master switch you got wired in the bumper?
Yeah, I'm just
couple of days away now.
That's gonna be all for this video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. I think it sounds good. We'll see.